Cardinal Glass Industries is leading the industry in the development of residential glass for windows and doors. They have grown to more than 7,000 employees located at 37 manufacturing locations around the United States. At Cardinal, they maintain a clear vision, design and fabricate the most advanced residential glass products in the industry, starting with a heavy investment in research and development. Their 3 R&D centers in Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Florida provide the basis for new advances in glazing fenestration, turning around those fresh ideas into useful products that regular homeowners can use. They provide a turnkey solution to window manufacturers, whether it starts with insulating glass, coated, laminated, tempered, or just plain float glass. It is all designed to provide the latest in applied glass science. To learn more, make an appointment to visit our Ram window and door showroom today.